What this is a high ply cutter. And by high ply, what I mean is it'll cut up to 6 centimeters. Basically, just like the rest of the equipment we have a CAD station located over here that is kind of the brains of this whole operation right here. The computer you see right here that he's working from is networked. So all of our patterns are on a network that both of these machines work from. So it's all identical. No matter which machine I pull from, I pull that pattern, I cut the same one. You actually see this machine is so high tech, it has 128 sensors on it. Now what you see back through here is how we lay our fabric down. We lay it based on what the customers order. We don't cut any stock, so everything you see is going to somebody. It will be built in our assembly plant next Monday. This machine is our Electra FX. It's our match stripe cutter. It'll cut single stripes or plaids. The machine will actually take a picture of the fabric and will actually lay it to our CAD pattern. If the thing is bowed, the machine will take a picture of it and will actually bow the pattern with the fabric. It has a camera on the front of it. You can see here that's an actual picture of the fabric. The machine is verifying the match point that our CAD person has said, this is where I want it to match, so that when we sew it all back together with a 1/2 inch seam, it'll match perfectly. Perfect match sofa. We are the king of plaid and match stripes.
I'm Olin Price, quality engineer with England Furniture, and I'm involved with fabric testing and evaluation. Fabric introductions undergo 10 areas of evaluation to ensure standards of quality, strength, and durability are achieved before a fabric can be approved as a product cover fabric. A number of tests are conducted to measure the durability and the strength of the fabric. This test measures the seam slippage and is conducted on our fabric testing machine. The sample is put in and then pulled to a force that breaks the fabric.
If I can test every new fabric we have using this machine, I can predict which ones are going to fail and keep them out of the line. So that's important.